Say it ain't so. You gotta be kidding me. The back of my Pixel 4 XL is cracked. Who would think the back of the phone would crack and not the front? Well, that was in March. Couldn't believe that the back of my phone cracked. And today, the end of July, I got my phone fixed. I went to Ubreak iFix, and they have a relationship with Google. I did call and ask Google about it because I did take the extended warranty. And so what they told me was because it's physical damage, it's not covered. So that, wasn't really happy. But the good part is my phone was still working. I'd rather keep my phone than sending one in and then sending them another phone that might have been recycled. So it ended up costing me out of pocket a little over $118 for the back of the phone. They also do other repairs as well. And so especially if you don't have insurance on your phone, then you could just take it to your closest Ubreak iFix location. I'll put their website. So they did a really good job. It took in total of about an hour and a half from the time I dropped it off to the time I got there and picked it up. I had to unlock my phone. I didn't want to factory reset it, so I was hopeful that they wouldn't have snooped through my phone, but that's what y'all have to do. Either you could factory reset your phone or you can unlock the phone so they could work it. They'll do some testing to make sure everything is working properly, and if all goes well, then they'll just seal the back and then you can pick up your phone and you're good to go. So it was very strange that the back of the phone cracked. I still couldn't believe that this happened, but glad that it is fixed because I will probably get the new Pixel when it comes out in the next few months or towards the end of the year and wait till everybody gets theirs first and see what the reviews are. And then we'll sell this one when I get the new one. I've generally been happy with the 4XL. I know for some the battery life hasn't been great, but I'm here at home, so I'm always around a charger. But even so, when I go out, I find never really, having an issue as far as battery life. So for me, I've actually been happy with the performance of the phone. I really like it. It's been, for me, the best Google Pixel phone that I've had to date. So there you go. And now I've got a new case that I'm using on my phone. I did a review actually yesterday on 3 cases for the Google Pixel 4 XL. I'll put a link to those as well, where you could see my review on those 3 cases. And I wanted to just let you know that if you do have any issues with whether you have the Google Pixel 4 XL or you got the 4 or one of the other Google phones, then again, you can go to Ubreak iFix and they'll take care of your phone and get it repaired. And it seems to be at a affordable rate. It used to feel like it was extremely expensive. Now, obviously, the back is different than other parts of the phone. But there you go. So I asked them. I said, "Do you see this often, where the back of the phones are cracking like that?" And he said, "We're seeing it more. Some of the Samsungs, the iPhones, the ones that have the glass backing, then you'll see that more." And actually, the cover, which I need to take off, but it's so weird that this is actually glass. It doesn't seem like it is, but it is a glass backing and looks good as new. So there you go. Glad I got this repaired and I'm back in business. All right, everybody, have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm really appreciative that I can get this done nice and quick. And take care.